Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the building footprint and key interior partitions. This gives you reliable data to build on. Use a tape and laser for accuracy and write dimensions directly on your sketch as you go. Choose a drawing scale like 1:50 so distances fit your paper. Once selected, convert each measured length into scaled units before plotting. Mark fixed elements, staircases, chimneys, window heads, because they control circulation. Making these decisions early prevents rework later. With your scaled measurements, draw exterior walls first using a ruler. This frames the plan and sets proportions. Once done, insert interior partitions and indicate wall thickness so clearances are accurate. Place doors and windows showing swing arcs and head heights. This explains flow and daylighting. Then add fixed fittings, kitchen, bathroom fixtures, radiators, so you know where services run. Use light pencil for adjustments and darken final wall lines to distinguish permanent geometry from notes and tentative items. To complete the plan, add labels, dimension chains, a north arrow, and a clear scale bar so others can read it. Verify functional clearances. Make sure door swings and circulation paths have at least standard minimums because usability depends on them. Inspect plumbing and structural lines for conflicts. If something doesn't fit, remeasure that area and redraw locally rather than altering the whole plan. If errors persist, try a larger scale or trace a fresh sheet to avoid cumulative mistakes. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.